In this video, we will be configuring our IPOB-EL4IREW. What you'll need for this is TechPro SS on your mobile device and Smart PSS on your PC or Mac. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we have our TechPro SS mobile application up. You want to go ahead and select Camera, then select the icon on the upper left-hand corner, then Device Manager, and now the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner to add our device. So here it'll ask you to initialize your device. Select OK, and then select Device Initialization at the bottom of your screen, and then Wi-Fi connection. Go ahead and scan the QR code on your camera, then select Next. Our phone is already on the correct Wi-Fi access point that we want the camera to be on. So we'll go ahead and enter the password for that SSID and select Next. And now we're going to give our camera a password. All right, and then we'll go ahead and scroll down a little bit here, and it'll ask us for an email address. And this is very important here. If you ever have any reason to default the camera, you will need to enter a password for password recovery purposes. All right, so now we'll just go ahead and select OK. And now our camera is successfully initialized. So now go to Online Search Device, and this is going to scan your Wi-Fi access point and search for your camera. Okay, so there is our device, so we'll go ahead and click on that and then add device. And you have two options here, P2P, which is the wireless peer-to-peer option, and then IP domain will just be the IP address or a domain. So this is what the P2P option would look like. It uses the serial number. So if you wanted to use that, you would just enter in your password there and then select Start Live Preview. But for this example, we're going to back out and select IP domain. Okay, now it gives us our IP address. And we'll just go ahead and enter the password. Select Done, and then Start Live Preview. Okay, now the camera is successfully added, and our next step is going to be to use Smart PSS to add the camera individually by itself, and then also to a recorder. So now I'm on my PC with Smart PSS already up and running. So we'll go ahead and select Auto Search. And we're going to add our camera to Smart PSS here. So the camera is ending in 144, so we'll just select that box there and then select Add. And then we'll put in our admin username and password. Select OK. Okay, we'll exit out of that, and as you can see, the online status is now online and green. So we'll go back to our live view, and we'll show you the live image. Okay, and now we're going to add a recorder to the network and then add our Wi-Fi camera to that recorder. So again, we'll go to Auto Search, and we'll just select our recorder. And we'll add that to Smart PSS as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and exit out of that, and as you can see, that one is also online and green. So now we will select the plus icon and go to Device Configuration, and then we'll select the recorder, which is ending in 145. Just double left click on that, and then double left click on Camera, and then select Remote Device. And from this screen here, we can add our Wi-Fi camera, which again is ending in 144. So we'll just select the box there, add device. Now we're going to double left click on the device and update the password to our new password. Select OK, and then we'll select Save. Okay, you can see it was successfully added. So now we're going to go to the live view of the recorder. Okay, so go back to live view on the main menu there, and then we'll select the drop down for our DVR, and then we'll go to channel 17, which is our IP Wi-Fi camera. And that's how you configure your IPOB-EL4IREW. Thank you for watching.